If Lucidchart is stuck on saving or you keep seeing an autosave error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. The key thing to remember right away is this. If your work is important, do not close the tab or refresh the page before securing your content. That can sometimes make the problem worse or risk losing recent changes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's secure your work. If the document is still open and you can interact with it, select everything on the canvas by pressing Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac. Then copy your elements with Ctrl and C or Command and C. After that, open a new tab and create a brand new Lucidchart document. Once the new document opens, paste everything in. This gives you a safe backup while you troubleshoot the autosave issue in the original file. After pasting, watch the top of the editor carefully and wait for the save notification. If you see that confirmation, you know the document is syncing correctly. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to troubleshoot your browser. One of the most common reasons Lucidchart Autosave fails is because of browser cache problems or extensions interfering with the editor. To test this quickly, open an Incognito window or a private browsing window and log into Lucidchart there. If Autosave works normally in Incognito, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the issue. In that case, go back to your main browser and start disabling extensions one by one. A good place to check is the puzzle piece icon in the top right of your browser. Click it, then choose Manage Extensions and turn off any ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools that might be interfering. If that still does not solve it, clear your browser cache. On Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Clear Data. After that, restart your browser and open Lucidchart again. Now let's check your connection. Lucidchart relies on a stable internet connection to communicate with its cloud servers, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, autosave may fail. Make sure your connection is strong and if possible, switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet for a more stable test. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. VPNs and corporate firewalls can sometimes block the WebSocket connections Lucidchart needs for continuous autosaving. If the document is still struggling to save, the next thing to look at is file size and complexity. Very large diagrams, heavily nested shapes, or documents using infinite canvas can slow down rendering and saving. Start by renaming the file if needed, and keep the title simple, using only letters and numbers when possible. Avoid special characters in the file name, then go into the document settings. You can do this from the View menu, then Canvas settings, or by right-clicking on the canvas and opening Document settings. If infinite canvas is enabled, try turning it off. This can reduce memory usage and make the file much easier for Lucidchart to save properly. After making these changes, give the document a moment to sync again and watch for the saved message at the top. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the autosave error completely. So to recap, protect your work first, test in Incognito, disable extensions, clear cache, check your network and VPN, and simplify the document if it's too large or too complex. If this helped you fix Lucidchart Autosave, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.